If solar is available and there's load shedding, will they be using these batteries?
Not at all. During a normal day, at the load that they're running now, during the day, the load will completely be powered by the solar panels, by the solar component. And they will not be using the battery or ESCOM power for that matter at any stage. All right. And even during the day, when there's a load shedding of 2 or 4 hours, doesn't matter, the generator is not going to start up because there's sufficient solar to carry the load. So at this stage, we're drawing about 10 kilowatts of power, which means that the solar panels is supplying enough power to substitute the complete 10 kilowatts. So we're running the load from the panels only at this stage, without using ESCOM or the battery at this stage. Should we have load shedding now, in the time that there's enough power coming from the panels, we're not even going to use the battery. The solar component will be enough to draw the load because it is on the essential load.
Okay.
When the essential load stays on during load shedding, but the non-essential output is switched off because of the sun's regulations and to make the system safe.